James R. Davis Sr. here, one of the affiliates here with CTFO and CBD Revolution. I wanted to show you guys how to get started with CTFO, how to start sharing your CBD websites, and so you can start bulking up and buying some CBD oil so you can start retailing and putting that cash into your pocket, okay? But this video is just simply about showing you how to get started, where to go right away. Now that you've joined us, welcome to the team. So we're going to get you to sign in here to your back office. The very first thing that you want to do is go straight to your training. Now, you just want to go ahead and just fire off and make some things happen. Go ahead right here, get your capture page, give it to your friends, your family members, all right? People that want to make money, send them to your webinar page, okay? But the first thing you want to click on here is training. Go to training right here. Once you get started, and the very first thing that you want to do is click on the welcome tab. Okay, click on the welcome tab and you're going to watch the videos, all of them. Okay, they're going to show you how to set up your direct deposit, show you how to share your link, show you how to share your blog pages that are already pre-written. Everything is here, folks. Okay, so I'm going to click on the welcome tab. And once this populates, it'll come up. I'm going to come back to that. Now, on Facebook, connect to the team where we're helping people and showing people how to make money. My good friend Michael is over here. He's a multi-millionaire here with Team Legacy, and he is definitely making some things happen. All right, so make sure that you read the top pinned post. I'm recording this from a desktop, but on your phone you're going to see a pinned post at the top. Make sure you read that pinned post and you respond to that. So again, there's a lot of proof over here, a lot of great support over here. A lot of people are making some money over here, folks. So make sure you go here. The next thing I want to show you is a testimonial group. Okay, you've probably seen the mobile version of this Get Started Right video, but I want to show you this as well on the desktop. Click on the testimonial tab. Over 30,000 testimonials in this group. Okay, well, 28,000 anyway. And you can just scroll down and just see for yourself. People love their pets. They got animal products as well, and you can see a lot of proof over there. Okay, so let me go back to the back office here to see if it's up yet. It's welcome tab. Yep, this right here. This is the video that you're gonna watch. Okay, then once this is done, you're gonna click on the continue tab here. All right, let me shut some of these screens down because my computer's kind of trying to move slow on me. You're gonna hit this continue tab. Okay, it's gonna go to the next video, and you can see it here. It's gonna show you as you click the continue. As you watch these, you continue. It's gonna move to tour. The continue. It's gonna move to share. That's where you get started at, folks. All right, make sure that you do that first so you can learn exactly what to do and how you can get off to a good start. I'll tell you something, folks, this compensation plan is pretty dynamic. The fact that they've patented and copyrighted the compensation plan proves that it's a big deal. So make sure that you look at that as well so you can understand how you're going to be getting paid to share this and build a team. It's all free. It's always going to be free. Okay, always going to be free. You're not even required to buy a product to get paid. Okay, now if you want to use the products, then you can. It's totally up to you. But you don't need to buy any products in order to get paid. You can just simply share your links and sell it. Okay, and there are a lot of different methods on how to do that, especially on the internet. All right, so I'll talk to y'all soon. Welcome to the team. James R. Davis, signing out. Peace and love.